Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to disable sleep mode on your Chromebook. So natively with just using the Chromebook internal settings, there is no way to actually do this, but there is an extension we can go ahead and download, which we're going to use, and that should hopefully be able to get us up and running and get us into the position that the title of this video says. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And you're going to start by opening up Chrome, Chromium, whatever browser you're using, but it should be Google Chrome or some derivative of that. And into Google, you want to go ahead and navigate over to the Chrome extensions or the web store. So I'm just going to actually search for it. And there's a lot of different ways to get there, but I'm just going to search for it over here. And we're going to go search the store, type in Keep Awake, and just hit enter to search for that. The extension should be by extensions at chromium.org. We're going to go ahead and just left click on that. And if you scroll down on this page, you get a little bit of information about it. So again, it overrides the system power saving settings, and it makes it easy to temporarily disable power management on the Chrome operating system. So it will add an icon in the top right corner of the browser that can be clicked on to switch between modes when the screen is kept on, which would be displayed as a sun icon, and the system is prevented from sleeping, which would be the sunset icon, or the third option, which would be a power saving settings, which would be left unchanged, which would be the moon meaning you haven't done anything. So if you click on read more, you can see, will this extension prevent a Chromebook from suspending when the lid is closed? It will not. And then, like I said, it already explained what the icons meant further up. So let's just go ahead and add it to Chrome here. We're going to go add the extension, and if we click on that to close out of here, and then we just go back to the extension itself, you can see just by left clicking on it, it changes the icon. So we just switched it to the sun, which means the screen will be kept on, and we can just toggle it by clicking it again. Now the system will stay awake, and you can toggle it again, and now it just will go back to the default power saving settings. Again, you're welcome to read through the information on this page if you were interested. Again, it goes into detail about what everything means, but this is just generally a pretty straightforward tutorial here just on how to turn that off, and you can actually go ahead and manipulate the sleep settings a little bit better than you could have by default. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.